Women challenge the status quo because we are never it. We don't just sit around and wait for other people. We just make and we do. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. The strongest action for a woman is to love herself, be herself, and shine amongst those who never believed she could. Whenever you see a successful woman, look out for 3 men who are going out of their way to try to block her. Some women choose to follow men, and some choose to follow their dreams. If you are wondering which way to go, remember that your career will never wake up and tell you that it does not love you anymore. The thing women have yet to learn is nobody gives you power, you just take it. No woman wants to be in submission to a man who is not in submission to God. A witty woman is a treasure. A witty beauty is a power. When a woman becomes her own best friend, life is easier. If you want something said, ask a man. If you want something done, ask a woman. You need women at all levels, including the top, to change the dynamic, reshape the conversation, to make sure women's voices are heard and heeded, not overlooked and ignored. It took me quite a long time to develop a voice, and now that I have it, I am not going to be silent. Women must learn to play the game as men do. I swear by my life and my love of it that I will never live for the sake of another man, nor ask another man to live for mine.